DCT makes here, second part on the swing up space saving table saw. Got a leg arrangement, kind of a little bit strange, but let's see if I can get it on the video here. Let's see, can you see this? Just got two stanchions coming off, and then this leg assembly comes under here. Fits on like that. And then just held on with a nut on the bottom of each of these. I'm going to double knit these now. I've got the height right, and the load's not just on there, it's also on this bobbin under here. Picture of that there. There's also a bobbin up here. Just cheap and cheerful kind of deal, but tables works great. Run some boards through. Need a new blade, but other than that, works pretty good. Again, space saving. Now to put it back, just undo those two nuts. Lift the table saw up a little bit, and drop it back down. And it'll park in place, and we'll put a tie there to hold it in place, and that'll be it. Later guys, bye.